but we said that we will do exemplar today.
But yes, one topic we need to cover now. That's the last topic, standard the standard form.
Yeah, good mom.
Then after that, we will start with the exemplar, right? Because there are
Okay,
some
good.
questions related to that, so we'll be doing that first. So is the screen visible to you people?
Yes, good mom.
Okay.
Do you know how old the Earth is?
And I hope it is audible to you.
Yes, good mom.
Okay. Then just we'll go through the video and it has some questions in between.
Or how small microorganisms could be? The Earth is 4,600,000,000 years old. And microorganisms can be as small as 20 nanometers. In working with very large and very small numbers, it is easy to make a mistake and leave out a zero. Therefore, scientists have come up with a method to denote very large and very small numbers using the powers of 10. Numbers written using the powers of 10 are said to be written in standard form or scientific notation. Through this animation, let us look at writing numbers in their standard form or scientific notation. Let's look at writing 4,600,000,000 in the standard form. Although we do not see the decimal point in this number, the point is to the right of the 8th zero.
So whenever there is a whole number given to us, we all have to assume it that the decimal is in the end of the number, because there was no number to be shown after decimal. So the decimal also we do not mention in a whole number, right?
To write this in the standard form, we must move the decimal point until there is only one non-zero digit remaining to the left of the point. Moving the decimal, in this case, will leave us with 4.6 followed by 8 zeros. The lagging zeros are dropped and the resultant number 4.6 is multiplied by 10 to the power of the number of places that the decimal has been moved. Notice.
So whenever we are converting the numbers into the standard form, we always have to keep in mind that the number should be lying between 1 to 10. That's why they have shifted to their decimal before 6, because it is making a number 4.6 which is less than 10, right? So this you have to keep in mind, that the numbers should be read out from 1 to 10.
Notice that the power of 10 is positive 9. This is because the decimal point is moved 9 places to the left. Let's now look at writing 20 nanometers in the standard form. The procedure remains the same. That is, we move the decimal point until there is only one non-zero digit remaining to the left of the point. The leading zeros are dropped and the resultant number, 2 in this case, is multiplied by 10 to the power of the number of places that the decimal has been moved.
So here they are taking the power in the negative form. Can someone tell me why? What is the reason of this? Bolo Siddhi?
Because the numbers are in decimal form,
Exactly.
in 0 point.
Because the original number was in decimal form, so I definitely need to move the decimal towards the left hand side. For that I need the division, and I can do it only when I have the power in the negative form.
Notice that the power of 10 is negative 9. This is because the decimal point is moved 9 places to the right. Let's now look at comparing numbers in their standard form. To start with, let's compare the mass of Jupiter to the mass of the Earth. The mass of Jupiter is 1.9 times 10 to the power 27 kilograms. The mass of the Earth is 5.97 times 10 to the power 24. How can we find out how many times greater the mass of Jupiter is in comparison to the mass of the Earth? To find out how much heavier Jupiter is compared to the Earth, all we need to do is divide the mass of Jupiter by the mass of the Earth. Simplifying the equation using the laws of exponents, we get a value of approximately 318. Therefore, mass of Jupiter is approximately 318 times the mass of Earth. Let us now move on to compare very small numbers. Let's do this by comparing the size of microorganisms, say, the measles virus and the influenza virus. We will follow the same procedure as we did for very large numbers, except in this case we will divide the size of the measles virus by the size of the influenza virus. Simplifying the equation using laws of exponents, we get a value of approximately 1.69.
So here they have applied the laws of the exponent, and where the same base under division, the powers get subtracted. So ultimately you will be reaching to this level where you will find out the size, compare the size of the measles here.
Therefore, size of measles virus is almost 1.69 times the size of influenza virus.
Okay, so till here, any doubt what the standard form is, how to convert the numbers into the standard form?
No, Garma.
No. So I would like you to move to one exercise here, right? So this is question number 1, where you have to express the numbers in their standard form. And then there's another question where it is already given in the standard form, but you have to convert it into the usual form, right?
Guru, we have to write it in the our notebook.
Yes, you have to solve it in your notebook. Then we will see the answers of these questions and we will match if it is a correct answers or not.
Gurma, but in first part, there's no decimal point.
So it's a whole number, no? You anyway have to make this entire number to lie between 1 to 10. So that means you need to shift the decimal forward towards the left hand side. And that will help you to convert it into a standard form.
Gurma, but in question number 1, in Gurma first part, there's no decimal.
That's what I'm saying. If there is no decimal, we always have to take
We
it
have to
in
assume.
the last towards the right hand side.
In the negative.
Right? So it means the decimal is just after this number where it is ending. So from there you have to forward it.
Okay, Gurma.
Gurma, can we do it in a rough notebook?
Yes, you can do it in a rough notebook. Just get ready with your answers. Then we will cross check our work.
Excuse me, Gurma, we have to write question also.
No, you don't have to write down the questions. You have to just look at the question from here, from the screen, and then you can just write down your answers.
Gurma, can you scroll to the second question?
I will. First, have you completed question number 1?
No, Gurma, I'm on third one.
So please complete it first. Once you're over with question number 1, just let me know. I'll scroll it down.
Gurma, actually, it's very difficult to count the number of zeros in the phone.
Yes, no, Gurma, only the fourth part is too difficult. So, Gurma,
Should I zoom in so that you will
no,
have
Gurma,
Bolo?
no, Gurma, no need to zoom.
Gurma, can you please show question number 2?
Yes, Gurma.
Yes, Gurma, it is done.
I hope it must be
Gurma,
clear.
we can zoom by our side also.
Fourth question also.
Yes, definitely it can be zoomed from your side also. Yes, Anshika.
Gurma, please show the complete fourth question.
Should I show the complete question? Then I have to zoom out. There's the complete question.
Gurma, you can hide a part 2 and 3 to show question 2.
Wait, Siddhit. I'm just going to show question number 2 as well. First, let everyone do question number 1. If you have done well and good.
Gurma, please show question.
Should I move on to question number 2? Convert the following from standard form to the usual form.
Gurma, can you show the fourth part of
Gurma,
question number 1?
Somebody saying
Okay.
to show the fourth part.
Gurma, I am in question number 1, first part.
You're in first part, Prakriti. Okay. So, Prakriti, by the time, can you just solve question number 3rd and 4th? Let the part 3rd and 4th of question number 1. I'll show you that part also.
I will take screenshot of first to fourth.
Gurma, she is saying that she will take a screenshot.
Okay, fine. Take it, bache. Prakriti, is it done?
Yes, Gurma.
Okay.
Gurma, please scroll it up. I'm doing the fourth part. Gurma, please show a third and fourth.
I'll show. Wait.
Gurma, I think Ayush would have done.
Can I scroll it up? Have you all done the 3rd and 4th part of this first question?
Yes, Gurma.
Yes, Gurma.
Okay.
Yes, Gurma.
So here are the other 2 parts. Yes. So in the first part and the 3rd part, the powers are given in the negative.
Fourth part. Explained.
Please.
Gurma, this is question 2 now.
This is question number 2, yes.
Gurma,
Done. Are there only these questions?
Only these many questions. The other one are for the addition and subtraction, which is not there in your syllabus. So should I show the answer?
yes, Gurma.
So are you all
Gurma,
ready
I will
for
check my answer.
cross-checking your answers?
Gurma, I'm on the last part.
Okay, please do it.
Guruma, it was very difficult to count the zeros in question 1 fourth part.
Oh.
Gurma done.
Okay, so I'm going to show you the work. So your first question, first part, 4.62 multiply by 10 raised to the power 16. Because you need to shift the decimal 16 times. Then next is 4.678 into 10 raised to the power 13. Because you have to shift the decimal 13 places forward. Then, because you in the original number that it was a decimal number, so in the standard form the power should be negative. 9.6
Yes.
multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 9. And the fourth one, 7.53 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 17.
But I can't see the question for second part.
Question
You
1 second part. She's
Question
asking.
1 second part. Okay. So how many of you have got the correct answers?
Guruma, I have got correct answer. Just in fourth part, I wrote a minus 16 on the place
Okay,
of
okay.
minus 7.
Gurma,
Okay.
mine, all are correct.
You all are correct. Chaliye, let's move on to the next part where you are supposed to convert them into the usual form. So the first is 5.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 7. Because it is the power is in negative, you definitely have to write down as the denominator. And then the number would be 0.00000058. So 6 times 0, then 5 and then 8.
Guruma, I have skipped the step of the fraction. So Guruma, it is correct.
If your answer is correct, if you have made the correct number, the answer would be correct. But yes, I would suggest to go through the step because the power is in negative. So you should first convert it into positive power, then you can apply the calculation.
Okay,
Right?
Guruma.
So it is suggested to, go with this fractional part also. Next is, because the power was positive itself, we just need to shift the decimal towards the right hand side. And the number would be 8, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times 0. Right? Next is 3.42 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5. Again, the power is in negative. So I need to make it positive first by doing the reciprocal of it. And then the number would be 4 times 0, 342. 0.4 times 0, 342.
Guruma, all answers are correct.
Very good. Very good, Siddhu.
First part 17. Fourth
Okay.
answer.
And the last one is, again, it's a positive power. So you just need to multiply it and shift the decimal towards the right hand side. So 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. Because the power was 12, out of 12, the one digit was already there. So you would have to just put 11 zeros after the number. Done?
Yes, Guruma, done.
Can we move on to the another one more exercise, one more worksheet?
Yes, Guruma.
Okay, so here they have given you the distance from the sun of all the planets of our solar system. You just need to convert it into this standard form. Right? Characteristics we are not going to talk about because all the planets have different characteristics. So here we'll be just converting the distance from the sun into standard form. So all the planets are here: Jupiter, Mercury, Saturn, Uranus, and then we will move on to the another one. So just do it. Then we will have a quiz.
Excuse me, Gurma, please show me the questions from starting.
Okay.
This question.
Here it is from the starting.
Gurma, can you just scroll it a little bit down?
Gurma, can astronomical unit be also used there?
Please pardon. What you are saying?
Gurma, I was saying that can
Hmm.
astronomical units be also used there?
Exactly. These all are like standard unit or the standard form of the number is basically used for the scientific purpose only. For for astronomers, astronauts who are dealing with all these things, planets, their distance, their diameter. So these are going to be a very big numbers. So to record it in an efficient way, in an understanding way, they use this standard form.
Gurma, please scroll it down.
Gurma, please
Okay.
call it now.
Yes, Gurma.
गुरमा मेरे सिस्टर की भी जीके की क्लास चले तो उसके यहाँ पर से मतलब मार्स अभी अर्थ इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन आ रही है फिर मैं
Okay.
यहाँ पर भी प्लैनेट्स
Great.
Gurma, are there more planets?
No.
Gurma, done.
Gurma
Done.
done.
Is it done by everyone?
नो गुरमा नॉट येट
Okay.
Yes, Gurma.
So after 2 minutes, I will share the answer key of this. And then we will cross check our work. Is it done?
Gurma,
Done, Gurma.
Okay. So let's check our answers. Jupiter into 10 raised to the power 8. Right? Second Mercury,
Yes,
5.79099175 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7. Third one is Saturn, 1.426724 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 9. Then Uranus, 2.870972 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 9. Venus, 1.0820893 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8. Mars, again 10 raised to the power 8. Neptune, 10 raised to the power 9. And Pluto, 10 raised to the power 9.
Gurma, this time all correct.
All
Gurma,
correct?
all are correct.
Very
Yes.
good.
All are correct.
Great. So let's move on to the next
Done.
Quiz.
portion of this quiz. So every time you will be giving the answers, I will be choosing that particular option and then we will check whether our answer is right or not. Express the number in standard form. 10 raised to the power minus 10.
Gurma, my answer.
What should be the answer?
Gurma, it should be C part.
It should be C part. Are you sure?
Yes, yes, Gurma.
Should I choose it? Okay, let's check. No, it's wrong.
So, answer is D.
Yes, Gurma, it
Yes.
should be B.
Yes,
Should
Gurma, it's
be
B.
It should be B.
B.
Yes, Gurma.
Okay, let's check with B. No.
Gurma, it is D because 13 units are not there in the
Listen,
number.
because you need to make it a number as 4.52. So how many places you just need to
Gurma,
shift
D.
or whatever?
Gurma, please check D.
Gurma,
E.
it should be A because we'll first
A.
move
We have got all
so
the
we will be
wrong
4
answers.
places, and then minus 10 plus minus 4, it will be minus 14.
Very good. Harshita, can you explain it again?
Yes, Gurma. Gurma, they gave us a number 0.000452 into
Right.
10 raised to the power of minus 10. So
Right.
first of all, we focus on the number 0.000452.
Right.
There we'll move the decimal between 4 and 5, which will give us 10 raised to the power of minus 4. And then at last we'll get 10 raised to the power of minus 14.
Very good. Next. The session has timed out. Let me just log in again. And do you know, I have selected this exercise from grade 8 section, not from grade 7 section.
Gurma, if grade 8 is having this, so what is grade 7 having?
Yes, Gurma.
Grade 7 having the introductory part of this, and grade 8 has a little bit, upper version of addition, subtraction. So we were on the quiz. State whether the given statement is true or false. The standard form of the number helps in comparing large number easily. True or false?
True.
True. Okay. Great. Next. It is observed that the size of the certain animal cell is this much meter. Express the size in the standard form. It is a decimal number, so how will you represent it?
I think so. The answer should be C.
The answer should be
Gurma,
C.
B.
B. Please check the number of digits you need to shift the decimal.
It's C only.
It's B only -5.
No, it's C -6 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will be shifting the decimal after 1, no? So decimal is shifted 6 places. That's why it will be -6. Next, express a number in the standard form.
Gurma, it must be 4.567 into 10 raised to power -4. A.
Okay, A. Let's check. Right. Next. The height of the Mount Everest is this much meter. Express the height in the standard form.
8 into 10 power.
Gurma, D.
It will be D.
D.
Okay.
Yes.
It will be D.
Right. Next. Write the number in standard form.
Gurma, it will be B.
B.
Yes.
Yes, Gurma.
Gurma, B.
B.
B, Gurma.
Right. Next, express the number in standard form again.
Gurma, it's A.
A.
It is the same question which
Gurma, A.
Harshita
Yes,
explained.
Gurma. A.
A.
Right. Which of the following numbers are written in this standard form? Which of the following will you consider
Gurma,
as
C.
the standard form?
Gurma C.
Gurma,
C.
Gurma, C.
Right.
Because there D could also be, but there couldn't be 0 in the function.
Exactly. So how will you express this number in the standard form?
Gurma, it is C.
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 5.6 raised to
C,
the
yes.
power of -6.
Very good. Next. State whether the given statement is true or false. Is a way of writing very large number easily and cannot be used to represent very small numbers.
False.
False. It can be.
False. Sorry. False.
False. Right? Next. Express a number in the standard form.
Gurma, it will be D.
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 Right.
D.
Distance between the two planets. Express the distance in the exponential form.
Gurma D1.
Gurma, A.
D or A? What I should choose?
Gurma, A.
Gurma A.
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 A is correct.
Because 19 couldn't.
Express the number in standard form again.
It is.
Gurma, it's B1.
B. Are you sure?
Gurma, it
Gurma,
should
some
be
little
A1.
confused.
And we should just move from there only.
Yes, Gurma, just 4.
10 is to the power 4. Because Tavishi, we don't have to count the numbers which are already after decimal. Because we are shifting decimal from here. So we have to only move it to 4 decimal places.
Okay, Gurma.
Right? Next is third last. Express the number in the standard form.
Gurma, C.
C.
Yes, Gurma, C.
Gurma, it will
Right.
be C.
The general form of the positive number in a standard form is a raised to the power a into 10 raised to the power n. Which of the following is true about the value of a and n? A is greater than 1, greater than 10, and n is the real number. So I will skip out this question because this is not related to your level. I'll just move on to the next question. Which of the following numbers are written in the standard form?
Gurma is.
Gurma, it will be C1.
it will be C or A or
Gurma A.
C.
A.
Gurma C.
It is A. देखा?
Shashik,
but
the
Anshika भी
power
so
was
busy.
negative, no? So I would consider the positive power as the standard form,
Yes, Karma.
right?
गुरमस में माइनस गुरमस में ये इतना छोटा है कि दिख ही नहीं रहा.
Okay. So I'll just stop sharing. So how is it? I hope the standard form of the numbers are clear to everyone.
Yes, Karma.
Right? Tomorrow we will be starting with the exemplar questions. We will do that.
Okay, Karma.
Right? And then after that we will have a quick test of this chapter. Right?
Less than 1 minute.
Okay, so bye-bye everyone.
Bye, Karma.
Bye, Gurma.
Bye, Guruma.
Bye, Karma.
Bye-bye, bache. Bye.